Okay, I'm spitting magic, look, Vinny Vici, outer space kinda mindset, call me C3P. Oh, and I don't like to fuck with hoes, but with a garden like mine, I'm gonna need 2, 3, or 4. I'm a fucking pot of gold, hashtag Lucky Charm. Sleep on me, I hope you don't mind waking up on a sorrow. I'm a dick, all that means is with time that I go hard. I'm a joker, ace me, you gon' need your best card. Right now I'm feeling optimal, optimist, we're opposites. And you were just a toilet cause your bars are always full of shit. I'm teaching etiquette, clean up your act or I'm stepping in. She take me in her mouth, I make her feel good. Medicine, your first mistake was doubting me, second was starting me. I'm feeling like money now, bitch, lottery, economy. I'll probably be an animal, a wallaby. Her heart was melting for me, so I took it. Robbery, don't light a flame under me, I'm gas, hot, mobile. Looking for some brain from a bookworm. Barnes and Noble, going global, so don't try to put me into one spot. I ain't past being the shit, I'm the shit after it rocks. And now I'm repping Hero Code, that's word to Marvel and DC. Saying I'm a whack Eminem, but I'm a Reese. Just trying to be myself, but still people can't see me. I'm never full of shit, so somebody please feed me. Feed me, feed me, bout green like Luigi. Better start going to class or I'ma school you, Mr. Feeney. Y'all dull now, like the other side of a leaf bee. Say I'm not good, then what's good for you? Green beans, I'm flowing like a period. You're dried up like camel shit. I'm coming straight out of CT like Hamilton. The top is where I wanna stay. I need a place, Hampton Inn. I'm watching where I step cause I'm above y'all. Trampling, the one you've never met, but the one you need to know. It's a cool word what they say, well then fuck it, I'm the snow. Oh no, I'm a beast, I'm just going to bomb. No, I never ever let them skate around me. Ha, roll. It's funny how they listen when you put your words to beat. You can say that I'm irrelevant, but Hero Code's the fleet. Never lazy, taking over like the fucking British Navy. Ask them if they had common sense or nickels what they gave me. Don't wanna end up on an island with me Revis. Got flow that's untouchable and lyrics that are seamless. I'm the meanest, fuck the world. I got the moon as my penis. That's a pretty big load to carry. When I come you all will see it. I know hoes, you know hoes, we all know hoes, but fuck them hoes. They always wanna break you down, but never let them get to you. Yeah, we on that new fucking level shit. Y'all are old news, I'm the one thing that's relevant. I've been in a building, you don't wanna see me settling. A rookie to this game, but one day I'll be a veteran. I'm nasty like a bad bitch, eating my shit with some chopsticks. Dirty mouth, dirty mind, maybe now they wanna watch me. Watch me achieve and watch people try and stop me, but I'm going every round and I'ma never stop rocking. And I'ma never stop, and I'ma never stop, and I'ma never stop. Ha.